Hi everyone. Welcome to Happy School Online for Mandarin Learning. I'm your teacher, my name is Sally. Our today's video teaches you how to make a request or seek for permission to perform an action in Mandarin. You might have watched our HSK Level 1 video. Two teens are making a request to a beautiful girl for sitting together with her at a table. One of the teens asked,
请问我们能坐在这儿吗？
可以，这里没人。
Okay, let's start. The grammatical structure we learn today is subject plus
能
plus verb plus
吗
It is one of interrogative sentence structures.
能
Means can or may. It is a modal verb to make a request or seek for permission to perform an action.
吗
Is a question word to indicate an interrogative mood.
吗
Is put at the end of a declarative sentence to turn it into a question.
吗
Is pronounced in a neutral tone in such a case. For example,
我能坐这儿吗
can I sit her?
我
Is a subject. Means I.
能
Is a modal verb. Means can or may.
坐
Is a verb. Means to sit.
这儿
Is a pronoun. Means here.
吗
Is a question word, when putting them together.
我能坐这儿吗
Means can I sit here? Let's see more examples.
我能借用你的笔吗
可以。
爸爸，我今晚能去派对吗
可以。
Let's recap what we've learned today. Today we learn an interrogative sentence structure. To make a request or seek for permission to perform an action. Subject plus
能
plus verb plus
吗
For examples,
我能借用你的笔吗
can I use your pen? Before the end of the lesson, let me ask you a question.
我们能再见面吗
Can we meet again? Okay. That's all about our today's lesson. I hope you find it useful and fun. If you are interested in our course, please visit our website and join us. See you next time. Goodbye.
再见